This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer a Microsoft Word document to Google Docs effortlessly. To begin, open your Google Drive and click the prominent New button located on the left side of your screen. From there, simply select File Upload and choose the specific Word document you wish to convert. This initial step places your document securely within your cloud storage, preparing it for the next transformation. Once your Word document is uploaded, find it within your Google Drive interface. A quick right-click on the file will bring up a menu of options for you. From this list, choose Open With, and then confidently select Google Docs. This action prompts Google Docs to automatically convert your Microsoft Word file into a fully editable Google Docs format, making it ready for immediate use. After the conversion, take a moment to carefully review your document for any slight formatting changes. While Google Docs generally does an excellent job, you might occasionally need to adjust a font size, line spacing, or image placement. Use the familiar editing tools at the top of the screen to make any necessary refinements. Ensuring your document looks precisely as you intend is an important part of this seamless process. Your newly converted document automatically saves to your Google Drive as you make changes, so you do not need to worry about losing your work. To collaborate, locate the blue Share button in the top right of your screen. You can then invite specific people or generate a shareable link, choosing whether they can view, comment, or edit the file. This simple step makes teamwork effortless and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.